square roots and cube roots. Very interesting topic, and it is very easy chapter. So first of all, I am taking the square roots. What is the meaning of square roots? After completed the square roots, you are going to start the cube roots. First, you can understand the square roots. How you can understand the square roots? First of all, what is the meaning of square root? And what is the meaning of square? What is the meaning of square? And what is the meaning of square roots? Two terms are there. But it is square roots only. Sir, what is the meaning of square? I am taking here one chalk piece and one more chalk piece. This both are same length and same height. ఒకటే లెంత్ లో ఉన్నాయి అండ్ ఈక్వల్ హైట్స్ లో ఉన్నాయి. ఈక్వల్ నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ టూ టర్మ్స్ ఆర్ టూ నెంబర్స్ యూ క్యాన్ మల్టిప్లై. రెండింటిని మల్టిప్లై, నాట్ అడిషన్. అడిషన్ ఇస్ ద సపరేట్ వర్డ్. వెన్ యు ఆర్ మల్టిప్లైయింగ్ ద ఎనీ టూ సేమ్ నెంబర్, అంటే దీన్ని మళ్ళీ దీంతో మల్టిప్లై చేస్తేనే మనకు వచ్చేది స్క్వేర్. అర్థమవుతుందా? ఐఎమ్ టేకింగ్ దిస్ వన్. This I am to multiplying this both. See, this both are same, అంటే itself same as it is, దాంతోటే మల్టిప్లై చేస్తున్నాను. Then that numbers are called square of its numbers. Squares of its numbers. సార్ ఇదొకటి తీసుకున్నారు. ఓకే, ఇట్ ఈస్ ఆల్సో చాక్ పీస్. బట్ దిస్ బోత్ ఆర్ సేమ్. ఓకే, ఇట్స్ నో ప్రాబ్లం. బాట్స్ now you are product of these two. See this, it is a long length and it is a very short length. Correct? Sir, మీరు ఏం చెప్పారు? ఓన్లీ టూ చాక్ పీసెస్ ప్రోడక్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఇట్ సెల్ఫ్ అన్నారు కదా. యూ కెన్ టేక్ దిస్ వన్ అండ్ దిస్ వన్. యూ మల్టిప్లై దిస్ టూ. యూ ఆర్ గెటింగ్ ద స్క్వేర్ నెంబర్స్ ఆర్ స్క్వేర్ రూట్ నెంబర్స్ మీన్స్ దట్ ఈస్ నాట్ ఎ స్క్వేర్. వై? బికాస్ ఇట్ సెల్ఫ్ నెంబర్స్ ఆర్ కాల్డ్ square numbers. Itself, for example, I am taking 1. For this 1 multiplied by itself number only. మళ్ళీ అదే 1 తోటి మల్టిప్లై చేస్తే మనకు వచ్చే నెంబర్ని స్క్వేర్ నెంబర్ అంటారు. అంటే స్క్వేర్ నెంబర్ని 1 into 1. అదర్వైజ్ 1 into 1 according to your exponents. Fourth chapter అయిపోయింది మీకు. For that fourth chapter, in that fourth chapter, 1 into 1 you can write as a 1 square. See this is known as a square. దాన్ని మనం స్క్వేర్ అంటున్నాం. ఆల్రెడీ ఎక్స్పోనెంట్స్ లో మనం నేర్చుకున్నాం. హైయెస్ట్ పవర్ ఇస్ 2. దట్ కెన్ బి రిడ్ యాజ్ ఏ స్క్వేర్. 2 square, 4 square, 5 square, a square, b square, c square. So here also multiplied by itself numbers is called as a squares. If I am taking 2, then you multiply by same number. అదే నెంబర్ తో మల్టిప్లై చేయాలి. 2. It is a 2 square. 2 can be, it is the bases are equal. Power should be added. అంటే 1 plus 1 is 2. Then 2 2s are 4. Like that. I am taking 3. You multiply by 3 only itself. అదే నెంబర్ తో మల్టిప్లై చేయాలి. మళ్ళీ మనం వేరే నెంబర్ తో చేయొద్దు. ఇట్ సెల్ఫ్ నెంబర్స్ ఓన్లీ. యు వాల్యూ మల్టిప్లైడ్ బై ఇట్ సెల్ఫ్ నెంబర్స్ ఇస్ కాల్డ్ యాజ్ ఎ స్క్వేర్ నెంబర్స్. 3. How many 3s are there? 2 3s are there. Shall I write this is a 3 square and multiply here. 3 3s are 9. And what you are getting the result? That result are you known as a perfect squares. Now, what are the perfect squares? Perfect squares are 1, 4, 9, 16, 25 and 36 and 49 and 64 and 12. సార్ ఈ నెంబర్స్ ఎట్లా వచ్చినాయి సార్ అంటే ఆల్రెడీ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ హియర్. 1 into 1 is a 1, 2 into 2 is a 4, 3 into some numbers here. You take more numbers I am up to taking only 3. You are wish to take more numbers. ఇంకా ఎక్కువ నెంబర్ తీసుకోండి. 4 multiplied by 4 only. 4 4 just 16 and 5 5 5 just 25 and 6 if you are taking 6 6 6 just 36 and if you are taking 7 7 7 just 49 and if you are taking 8 8 8 just 64 if you are taking 9 9 9 just 81 10 10 just 100 like that. You take any large numbers or 2 digit or 3 digit whatever it is, then what is the meaning of square means multiplied by itself. Multiplied by itself is known as a square. Is it clear? Yes. What is the square complete? You have completed the square. What is square? What is square, Nana? A number multiplied by itself is known as a square. Then you are going to learn about the square root. What is square root means? Square root of a number. Then if I am taking here n, what is the meaning of elements? You are wish to take any numbers. I am taking some variable, that is. N is that number which when multiplied by itself given n as a product. Then if I am taking 64 now, example I am taking 64. I am taking it is a 64. How to find out the square root? Square root, find the square root. Find the square root. Find the square root. Very simple. Find the square root means it is a square root symbol. It is the symbol for square root. Just write like this. This is known as a square root. This symbol is a square root. This symbol is known as a square root. Okay, this symbol is a square root. Then, how to find out the square root of 64? How to find out the square root of a 64 means? See this? You read all tables. You can read all tables. All tables means when you get the 64, that table, 1 ja itself number se kavali. 1 ja 1, 2 ja 4, 3 ja 9, 4 ja 16, 5 ja 25, 6 ja 36, 7 ja 49, 8 ja 64. You are getting 8. Two numbers are same. Okay, itself number is 8 and 8 is equal to, you are getting single 8. This is square and for example, this can written as a 8 square nano. When you there square is there, that for that time this square root will be cancelled. Square and square root will be cancelled. Your answer is only 8. Okay, Nana. 64 in that 8 table, that is the reason your answer is 8. Okay, sir. It's fine, Banu. But even in the 2-digit number, you can identify very easily. When they are giving like this number, I am taking example 2. 1, 2, 2, 5. Find the square root of this number. Sir, that much of long number. How can you find the square root? 4-digit number is there. How can you find out? Means here also some logic is there. Always you are not follow this type of numbers. When you follow this type of numbers means in that given number means find out the square root of 64 means only 2-digit number or 3-digit number. It's very good. Up to 3-digit numbers you can know the some tables and the tables కూడా మనకు తెలుసుంటాయి కాబట్టి you can find out the and you can say the answer very easily. But it is a 4-digit number. It have only 4-digit number. So it is a 4-digit number means how can you find out the 4-digit number or 5 digits or 6 digits means very small thing, no? If for example in this method, for this method I am solving the 64. Tomorrow we will solve this. Time is up to remember. 64. First to take the two table now. If it is a two table is not possible means you are going to three table. First I am trying two table. 2 3 is a 2 2 16 2 8 2 4s and 2 2s and 2 1s are nothing. Then you can write this 64 as a. I am writing this 64 as a. How many it is? 1 2 3 4 5 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. How many twos? 1 2 3 4 5 6. 6 twos are there. Then I am writing all 6 twos are there. Into 1 also there, sir. Into 1. You can multiply or not multiply. You are getting the same. Then keep square root as is. Keep square root as is. Then what is the meaning of this square root? 2 pairs is equal to single number. 2 numbers కలిసి ఒక నెంబర్ వస్తుంది. These 2 numbers becomes one number. These 2 numbers becomes one number. And these 2 numbers becomes single number. Then multiply 2 2 is 4, 4 2 is 8. See this? You know the table means you are getting the directly answer. Nothing will happen. But how can you find out this 4-digit number, 5-digit number? Means you can try this like this. You are getting the answer. If you are not getting the answer means sum of odd numbers. 1 is 1 and 1 plus next odd number. You are getting 1 2 only 2. Then it is a 2 square. Then I am taking one more odd number. 1 plus 3 plus 5. How many odd numbers? 3 odd numbers are there. Then it is a 3 square. You take number of odd numbers. You are getting the one square number. You are getting one square number. Again I am taking one more odd number. 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 is equal to 1 2 3 4. It is a 4 square. In case I said to all odd numbers. Sir, you said all odd numbers. If I am taking, if you take 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 9. Sir, 9 also odd number. Can I take odd number of 9? No, it is not in order. 1 plus 1 3 5 7, not 9. That's the reason you are not getting the 4 square. It is not a 4 square. Why? Because it is in that given odd numbers, not in frequently. Not in frequently. That's the reason it is not a 4 square. Some another number you are getting. So here exactly you are getting the frequently order to take the odd numbers. That's the reason it is a exactly you are taking the square numbers. If I am taking 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 11 plus 13 plus 15 plus 17 plus 19 plus 21 plus is equal to how much? You are taking long time. How much this is means? You can add 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus 5. 4 plus 5 is 9. 9 plus 7 is 9 plus 7 16. 16 plus 9 is 25. Like that you can add this all. But without adding, I give one simple solution. How? This all are identification of this one. All are odd numbers. For this odd number, how many odd numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So it is 11 square. Number of odd numbers is equal to just to count on the all odd numbers. How many odd numbers are there? Just count on. Here 11 odd numbers are there. Just I am taking 11 square. Just you can find out the 11 ja. Is it 121? Like that you ever wish to take so many odd numbers. But you are getting the just to count the odd numbers. How many odd numbers are there? Directly you can write that number is square of that number. Then you are getting the direct answer without adding that all numbers. Is it clear? Here double one means 1 2 1. There is no zeros in between 1 and 1. In between 1 and 1 there is no zeros. That's the reason you are writing the 1 2 1. Here double one in middle 1 0 is there. That's the reason in between 0 1 1 కి ముందు వెనకాల zeros add చేయాలి. How many zeros? You can add 1 0. 1 0 ని add చేయాలి. See this? In this 1 1, in between this 11, 2 zeros are there. Then write that 121 only, but in after 1, before 1, you can take that 2 zeros. How can you write this? 1 2 1. That pattern only, 1 to 1 only. But how many zeros? 3 zeros. 1 2 3.
3 zeros.
1 2 3. Next shall I take 1 2 3 4 zeros. Whole square means you can write 1 2 1 only. In between 2, before 2 after, and then 4 zeros inside here. Are you clear now? Is it clear? Only 1 is there. You are taking the 1 square is 1. Here double 1 is there. Double 1. How many 1s are there? 2 1s are there. So you can write 1 2 in reverse order. 2 1. And that here 3 zeros are there. 3 1s are there. 3 1s are there. You can write 3. 1 2 3. Leave this 3 and write in reverse order. 2 and 1. Okay? And it is 4 1s are there. 4 1s are there. Then 1 2 3 4. Leave the last digit. You can write in reverse order. 3 2 1.
3 2 1.
2 1. Again here 5 1s are there. 1 2 3 4 5. Leave this 5. 4 3 2 1. 4 3 2 1. Like that. How many 1s are there? You can write that all 1s square numbers are. You will get the like this only. It is a pattern of 1s pattern. Is it clear? In that 6.1, in this 6th chapter, first exercise. In that first exercise, first bit, some problems are given. In that I am taking only 3 problems only. Here I am explaining only 3 problems. Unit digit of the square numbers. Unit digit ante ones, tens, hundreds ఉన్నాయి కదా. In that last digit అంటే ones place లో వచ్చే నెంబర్ మనకి ఏంటో ఇక్కడ చెప్పాలి. So here if you are taking 39 into 39 square numbers, they are asking the square numbers, then take the same number, మళ్ళీ అదే నెంబర్ తీసుకొని మల్టిప్లై చేయండి. What you get the answer అడగట్లేక just what is the last unit digit? 9 9 81. Answer is
1.
unit digit.
1.
Unit digit is equal to 1. Just 1. No need to write the complete answer here. Just you can write only 1. Next, this one. 7286 into 7286. And this 6 6 36. So answer is only 6.
6.
Unit digit is equal to 6. Here no. Same 8742 into 8742. 2 2s are 4. Right? Unit digit is 4. Are you understood this? Is it clear? I know why are you laughing. Sir, always you are taking 1 3 5 only. That are your lucky numbers. Sorry. Em ledu. That are I think that problems here are some difficult problems. Not only difficult, just that numbers are some different numbers I am choosing in that out of 5. That is the reason. That are not my lucky numbers. Okay. So I already yesterday I said take the LCM of the given number and find out 2 numbers are make it pair. When it is keeping a pair means that are perfect squares. That are not forming the pair. Pair అంటే 2 2 వస్తేనే perfect squares అన్నట్టు. 2 2 రాలే అంటే that are not a perfect squares. See first ఇక్కడ 121 మా పర్ఫెక్ట్ స్క్వేర్స్ చేయాలంటే ఎల్సిఎం రావాలి. ఎల్సిఎంస్ రావాలి అంటే మనకి టేబుల్స్ కావాలి. టేబుల్స్ రావాలి అంటే మల్టిప్లికేషన్స్ రావాలి. ఒకదాంతో ఒకటి లింక్ ఉంటుంది. బేసిక్స్ కాన్సెప్ట్స్ లేకుండా మ్యాథ్స్ చేయాలంటే ఇట్ ఈస్ నాట్ పాసిబుల్. ట్రై టు అండర్స్టాండ్ మీ. అండ్ వెన్ యూ ఆర్ డూయింగ్ ద ఎల్సిఎంస్ మనం చేయాలి అంటే ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ you know the tables very well, and you have some idea about the divisibility rules. రెండు ఉండాలి. ఈ రెండిటితో పాటు divisibility rules కూడా ఉంటేనే you are 100% doing the perfect squares of the given numbers. Otherwise you can't do here. ఇక్కడ మనం ఏం చేయలేము. Okay, let us go to the explanation part. It is 121 ana. First check in two table. It is possible in two table? No. Why? Because if the ones digit is 1, అంటే వన్స్ డిజిట్ లో ఈవెన్ నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ టర్మ్స్ ఉంటేనే, ఈవెన్ నెంబర్స్ ఉంటే అంటే 2 0 2 4 6 8 టర్మ్స్ ఉంటే దట్ నెంబర్స్ ఆర్ డివిజిబుల్ బై 2. బట్ హియర్ వన్స్ డిజిట్ 1 is there, so 2 table is not possible. Then I am going to 3 table. 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 1 is 4. In that 3 table 4 is not possible, so 3 table also not possible. So it is not in 2 table, then 4th table also not possible. Next you are going to the 5th table. 5th table, what is the rule of 5th table? In that ones place it is having the zeros and 5s, then the number is divisible by 5, so it is not in 5 table also. Why? Because 0 and 5 is not there. Next is 6. It is not in 2 table and 3 table, then 6 table also not possible. Then you are going to 7 table. 3 table 4 table రాలేదు, so it is not possible to 7 table. 8 table 4 table రాలేదు కాబట్టి 8 table also not possible. 9 table means 3 table fail అయింది కాబట్టి 9 table కూడా it is not possible. Then 10 table, what is the rule of 10 table? In that ones place having the only 0 is there, means that is divisible by 10, but in this ones place 0 is not there. Then going to the 11th table. 11th table, difference of 1 plus 1 2, 2 minus 2 is 0. Yes, it is in 11 table. What is this? 11 1 is 11. Otherwise you can do the division. 11 1 is 11. Do the subtraction 1 and this 1. Again 11 1 is 11. So what is the answer? 11 into 11. 11 11 is 121. Therefore 121 is equal to 11 into 11. Perfect square means these two are one pair. Then it is the answer is 11 only. Itla 2 untene that is the pair. Pair means that is the perfect square. If you are not getting the pair, it is not a perfect square. Once you see this, so I am going to 6 this one after coming to this one. Okay, see this 600. Last digit is 0 is there. Then you can proceed in 2 table. 2 3 ja 0 0. Again 0 is there. 2 1 ja 2 5 ja 0. Again 0. 2 7 ja 14. 2 5 ja 10. See this. 5 is there. Then 2 table is not possible. Then 7 plus 5 is 12. Then it is possible in 3 table. 3 2 ja 6 and 3 5 ja 15. Okay, 3 5 ja 15. Once again check this. Last unit digit is 5. So 2 table is not possible. Then 3 table. Add this 2. 2 plus 5 is 7. 7 also not possible in 3 table. Then we are going to the 4th table. In the 4th table, 2 table already it is failed. And 2 table రాలేదు కాబట్టి 4th table also not possible. Then it is 5 table. What is the 5 table rule? In the ones place it has the zeros and 5. It is divisible by 5. So it is 5 is there. Then you are going to 5 table. 5 is 25. Then 5 is a prime number. Then you stop here only. ikkada agipoవాలి. Because 11 is a prime number. Then I am stopping here only. Then here 5 is a prime number. Then stop here only. Then 600 is equal to square root of 2 into 2 into 2 1 3 and 2 5. See this? These 2 becomes one pair. ఈ రెండు కలిపి ఒక పేర్ అవుతుంది. One more 2 is there. Only 1 2, only ఒక్క 2 మాత్రమే మిగిలిపోయింది. అంటే that is not a pair. అంటే అది పేర్ కావట్లేదు. Then what is the meaning? It is not a perfect square. Therefore 600 is not perfect square. Are understood or that? 256 LCM. 2 table. 2 1 ja, 2 2 ja, 2 8 ja 16. 2 6 ja, 2 4 ja, 2 3 ja, 2 2 ja, 2 16. 2 8s, 2 4s, 2 2s. Then write 256 can written as 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 1 2 3 6 7 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Then these two becomes 1, this 2 becomes 1, this 2 becomes 1, and this 2 becomes 1. Then multiply. 2 2 is 4, 4 2 is 8, 8 2 is 16. Therefore, 256 is perfect square. Is it clear? Yesterday our classes is 6.1 first bit and second bit is completed. Yes or no? That exercise 6.1 third bit nana. What they are asking in the third bit? The following numbers are not perfect squares. వాడు అక్కడ క్లియర్ గా మెన్షన్ చేస్తాడు. అవి పర్ఫెక్ట్ కావు, పర్ఫెక్ట్ స్క్వేర్స్ కావు, పర్ఫెక్ట్ కావు, ఏవి కూడా పర్ఫెక్ట్ గా లేవు. బట్ వాట్ ఇస్ ద రీజన్? ఎందుకు పర్ఫెక్ట్ స్క్వేర్స్ కావు? సే ద రీజన్. ఒక రీజన్ చెప్పండి అంటున్నాడు. ఓకేనా? సో it is not a perfect square. Why? Because 257. Take the LCM of this number. 2 table is not possible. 3 table also not possible. Okay, 4th table also not possible. So it is a prime number. You said this is a prime number. What you write the reason? What is the reason? 257. Therefore 257 has no factors. దానికి ఫ్యాక్టర్స్ లేవు, ఏ టైంలో కూడా రావట్లే. ఇంకా సింపుల్ గా చెప్పాలంటే 257 ఈజ్ ఏ ప్రైమ్ నెంబర్. అదొక ప్రైమ్ నెంబర్ అని చెప్పొచ్చు. దెన్ 2433. See this 2433. First check in 2 table, not possible. 3 table 6. Okay, 3 table it is possible. Then I am taking 3 table. 3 8 ja 24, 3 1 ja and 3 1 ja. Next 2 table is not possible and 3 table also not possible. Why? Because 8 plus 1 is 9, 9 plus 1 is 10. So 3 table also not possible, 4 not possible, 5 also not possible. 7 table, 7 1 is 7 and 7 1 is 7 also not possible. 8 table not possible, 9 10 11 any table it is not possible though. So therefore 2433 square root is equal to, you are getting 3 into 811. So see this, any pair is there, ఏమైనా pairs ఉన్నాయా? Any pair is not there. That's the reason it is not a perfect square. Therefore 2433 has no common factors. That is the reason. So last one, this one 6098. So last digit is 8 is there. So it is a 2 table. Try in 2 table. 2 3 is 6, 2 4 is 8, 2 9 is. And this it is 7 plus 9 is 16. Then it is not possible in 2 table, 3 table, any table it is not possible. That's the reason. Therefore square root of 6098 is equal to 2 into 3049. Here also same reason. Therefore 6098 has no common factors. Just unit digit only. You can find out the unit digit only. Find the square of the following and you can say that your result is you are getting the even numbers or odd numbers. Already you know the numbers end with 0 2 4 6 8 are even numbers. Remaining are odd numbers. Numbers end with 0 2 4 6 8, then the numbers are even numbers. Remaining all are odd numbers only. Numbers 0 2 4 6 8 ఈ నెంబర్స్ కనుక ఎండ్ అయిపోతే అంటే అక్కడికి ఆగిపోతే నెంబర్స్ లాస్ట్ది వన్స్ ప్లేస్లో ఆ నెంబర్స్తో కానీ ఆగిపోతే వాటిని ఈవెన్ నెంబర్స్ అంటారు. ఈవెన్ నెంబర్స్ అంటే తెలుగులో సరి సంఖ్యలు అంటున్నాం. ఓకేనా? రిమైనింగ్ అన్ని కూడా ఆడ్ నెంబర్స్ అంటే బేసి సంఖ్యలు. సో see this, already you learned yesterday. How can you write now? 2826 into 2826. Then just to multiply first last and last. Well, you are getting 36. So just end with 6. Remaining answer no need here. మొత్తం అంతా ఆన్సర్ నాకు అవసరం లేదు. You are getting the answer. That answer is you are getting the even number or odd number. అంతే నాకు కావాల్సింది అంతే. ఈవెన్ నెంబర్స్ అయితే 0 2 4 6 8 తోటే ఎండ్ అవుకోవాలి. ఇక్కడ 6 తోటి ఎండ్ అయింది. therefore it is a even number. 2826 square is even number. That's it. So see this one also. You are getting 779 whole square is equal to, you are getting 1779 into 1779. So multiply last one only, you are getting the 81. So it is end with 1. So it is odd number. It is odd. Here 9998 in whole square is equal to again 998 into 9998. Then first and last multiply that into 8 8 64. You are end with 4. Therefore 9998 whole square is equal to, you are getting even number. మనకు వచ్చే రిజల్ట్ ఏమొస్తుంది? ఈవెన్ నెంబర్స్ లో వస్తుంది. Is it clear? Count on the all odd numbers and write how many odd numbers are there and with the square. అక్కడ ఇచ్చింది ఓన్లీ చిన్న ఫిల్ ఇన్ ద బ్లాంక్ ఇచ్చాడు. బట్ ఆ ఫిల్ ఇన్ ద బ్లాంక్ కాన్సెప్ట్కి మనం ఇవన్నీ యాడ్ చేయాలి. సో యాడ్ చేయాలంటే అవన్నీ యాడ్ చేయడానికి విల్ టేక్ అట్లీస్ట్ 1 or 2 minutes time. But without adding, in that yesterday I give the one logic. What is it? Sum of odd numbers always have one pattern. What is the pattern? Just count on how many odd numbers are there. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. 9 odd numbers are there. Write 9 and with square. ఎన్ని నెంబర్స్ ఉన్నాయో అన్ని నెంబర్స్ కౌంట్ చేసి దానికి స్క్వేర్ నెంబర్ రాయాలి. దెన్ వాట్ ఇస్ ద స్క్వేర్ ఆఫ్ దిస్ 9 square? 9 square means in the powers and exponents already you get. It is the 9 to the power of 2 means 9 can be written as 2 times, means answer is 81. Answer is 81. Like that to finish the first and that third bit. Clear?